Welcome back to our DREAM3D-NX tutorial series. In this video, we will be covering the visualization filters. Visualization filters in DREAM3D-NX provide tools for slicing, clipping, thresholding, resampling, and quadric clustering to isolate regions of interest while preserving the original dataset. Let's begin by adding in the small IN100 full reconstruction bookmark. We'll run this pipeline for example data. Now let's change our data view to surface. We'll be using IPF colors as the data array for the demonstrations in this video. You can find the visualization filter menu in the Render Properties area. You can choose between the clip, slice, threshold, quadric clustering, or image resampling filters. The clip filter removes data on one side of a plane. You can move the plane using arrows or numeric inputs. We'll change the clip type to box. Clipping by box means you can choose dimensions that you want to clip versus clipping the entire geometry in half. The Apply button will create a new clipped data view. The original geometry can be hidden for comparison. You can delete the clipped data views by right-clicking the data view under the visualization filter, then choosing Delete Item and Children. Now we'll clip by plane. Clip by plane defines a cutting plane through the geometry and removes all data on one side of that plane. Now we can disable the full geometry to see the clipped plane results. Now we'll quickly set up the visualization for the next filter. We'll reset the visualization back to the Z-axis and we'll delete the clip filters out. Now we can apply the slice filter. The slice filter extracts a single 2D slice from a 3D dataset for inspection. The white outline represents the available slice region. The red outline is the active slice plane. Adjust the arrows or numeric inputs in Render Properties to fine-tune the slice. The Apply button will create a new data view with the slice. Now we'll quickly set up the visualization for the next filter. Now let's apply the threshold filter. The threshold filter will filter out data based on scalar values. You can set the minimum and maximum threshold values. The filter will remove the data outside the threshold range and create a new filtered visualization layer. Now we'll quickly set up our visualization for the next filter, the quadric clustering filter. Let's add in our quadric clustering filter. The quadric clustering filter is a geometry simplification filter used to reduce the number of triangles in a surface mesh while preserving the overall shape and important features. You can adjust the bin amount for X, Y, and Z in the Render Properties. We'll show the filtered geometry and non-filtered geometry side by side. Finally, we'll add in the image resampling filter. The image resampling filter changes the spatial resolution of image-based data by increasing or decreasing voxel density while preserving the physical size of the dataset. After applying the filter, the dataset becomes visually simplified. Small geometric features are merged, boundaries become smoother, and overall complexity is reduced while preserving the main structural shape. This improves rendering performance and makes large-scale patterns easier to interpret. Now let's set up a dual visualization filter. We'll use a clip filter and a threshold filter. First, we'll introduce the threshold filter. Then we'll add a clip filter on top of the threshold filter. Let's apply this clip filter. Now let's add a split visualization view. Click the Split Vertically button in the visualization, then enable the desired views using the eye icon in the Render properties. Now let's link the cameras for both views and compare the geometries side by side. We can see the original geometry on the right and the geometry with 2 visualization filters applied on the left side. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at dream3d.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.